Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Nina Angelica Udan. I am 31 years old, married. I have two kids, 10 years old and 8 years old. I live in La Paz, Cabanatuan, Isabela. I have one sister and I'm the youngest of the family. I am 2 years graduate and I took a Bachelor of Science and Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience in Singapore for 5 years with 2 employers. First, my employer, I served 3 persons, 1 couple and 1 child, 4 years old. I'll do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, car washing, and marketing. And second, I serve 3 persons also, 1 couple and 1 child. I'll do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, car washing, cooking.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'll take care that I will check the temperature and I tell to my boss that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide my family needs, especially my child.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband, my parents, and my
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. and I woke up early in the morning at 6 p.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes,
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes,
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
no, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus like round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. And I promise that I will serve to your family. Thank you.
Okay.